So I think, the business is clearly cyclical. It always has been. You mentioned, Andrew, if you can go back earlier to the liability crisis in the 80s in the US. I think there are some things that have changed though. The insights, the level of information, our ability to analyze data and draw conclusions about risk from that has improved out of all recognition, I think, over the course of the last 20, 30 years. So there's still a cycle there. It's not as pronounced. I think what really matters, market position, the capabilities, the offerings that we have to client beyond just the strength of our balance sheet. And I think here, Zurich is second to none in the commercial space, and we're in a great place to continue to benefit from a really strong pricing environment.
And George, just a thought on market levels, I think would be interesting at this point. Obviously we're very wary of significant capital loss risks around fixed income positions, depending on what happens next with these markets. A lot of volatility. How are you guaranteeing the safety of portfolios at the moment?
Yeah, I think what's crucial in insurance, you can see insurance in several different ways. The two most extreme examples are the people who are raising cash to invest, and they see themselves as the people with the investment expertise. We're at the other end of the spectrum. We see ourselves as underwriters. So when we get the cash in, we invest that in matched investments as far as we possibly can. And that reduces the risk that if we see an interest rate spike, that you'll see some impact on capital, because the asset and liability balance in the book is pretty good. So we shouldn't be so exposed to that. What it will impact, of course, is future pricing trends, because if we see interest rates rise, it means that, of course, the cost, or rather the benefit of holding the money, is slightly higher, and the technical underwriting profit can reduce slightly. But I don't expect that again over the course of the next year or two in this business.